So we're going to be doing an oil change, spark plug replacement, and also an aesthetic item I am excited to show you guys. Something that we've really been struggling with, how we're going to make the appearance on the engine bay look a little bit better, but let's go ahead and get started on it. So now that we have the coil packs removed along with the spark plugs, I do want to go over these MSD coil packs, which provide a higher spark rate. They did make a really big difference on idle and also drivability overall on the car. Smoothed out a lot of areas that really the stock ones didn't do. If you're looking for replacements, I would highly recommend these. I've had quite a bit of miles on these and they've never had any issues. Also, I did want to point out, these are the most common spark plugs that you'll see. These are one step colder, which means they dissipate the heat faster. And then if it's a hotter spark plug, it means it holds the heat or dissipates the heat slower. So we'll go ahead and get started and show you how to adjust your spark plug gap with these two tools right here. So let's go ahead and do that. So now that I have the spark plug set up in the pressure tool, I'm gonna go ahead and set the gap. And on the feeler gauge, you want it just enough to where you can feel it scrape the feeler gauge, but not anywhere where you can't move it. So that looks like it's perfect set. We'll go ahead and back it off. Take the spark plug out. Make sure it fits right and we're good. You can see there's something in this engine bay that wasn't here before, and it is the J9 Performance engine cover. The OEM engine cover didn't really fit very well with the TTR intake manifold. It could make it fit, but I didn't want to have to modify it. This right here is a bolt-on solution and looks really good, and it actually ties everything together in the engine bay. So I'm going to go ahead and get finished cleaning up and get the car down on the ground, and I'll see you guys in the next video.